This video can help you with inserting text boxes. It's on the Insert tab, and then the text box is over here in the text group. So I'm going to click on text box, and now it's given me options that are already built into Word. And again, you see this coloring. This coloring is based on the theme that I've chosen, and I don't particularly like that orange, so I'm going to go to the Design tab and Theme, and I'm going to select the Office theme just because for this demonstration it's easier to work with. Now I'm going to go back to Insert and Text Box, and now you see those same text boxes colored differently. One of the favorite ones that students use is Filigree Quote. And so when you click on it, it just puts it right into your document, and you can then take out the text that's in it and type whatever you want to. And then if it's a quote, which generally something like this would be a quote, then you would put in your source there. So those are built-in things. So I'm going to take that out, and I'm going to show you some more of the built-in ones. Text box. So this would put a bar on the side, and again, anytime you have a text placeholder like this, either fill it in or delete it. Okay, never send me a document with this generic text in it. You'll lose points. Kind of irritates me. Okay, so now we're going to take that out, and we're going to go again to Insert, text box, and then you can pick any one of these, and it automatically puts it into your document and designs it the way you want. Or you can, and there's more down here. I just scrolled. You can see there's a lot more. You can just draw your own text box. So if generally speaking, people will use this draw your own text box unless you're looking for a particular design or formatting. So with it, once again, I got that cross on my cursor. So with click and drag, I get my text box. And now I can type in there anything I want. Ooh, look, I typed it without any errors. Okay, so now you'll see that my text is not quite showing here. Be sure that you get your resizing arrow. It's the two arrows pointing up and down or left and right, and resize it so that I can see all of the information in the box. Now, this is a shape. So I can take this and I can move it anywhere I want to on my document. And right here I can tell it what I want to do with text. So if I say square, then I go in here and I start to type. Let's see, I don't know if I can do that here. I think I need to do what I want to do away from that. So let me get it up here and get my cursor down there. I just want some random text. There we go. So with this random text in here, then I can take my shape, my text box, which is a shape, and I can move it. I've told it to wrap around the text, so I can move it wherever I want and see how the text wraps. That was one of the things you were supposed to do in last week's assignments. When you do, the difference between square and tight is if you have an image like the ones where you last week you took the background off of the image, and then you could do tight, and this would go take the text up towards the image that you had and kind of jaggedy it around the people. Again, with it selected, you go to the shape format, and you have all of these options to play with so that you can make it look the way you want. You can actually just have a fill and it'll make the text white. You can do it black. Whatever you want, however you want to do it. These are all options. You have shape effects again, so you can make it a button, or you can just put shadow on it, or you can do both. Whatever it is you want to do to make it, the text box, really stand out and be what you want it to be.